Crosthwaite, which is a small village or hamlet in the Lyth Valley, and we've got a beautiful house to clean today. I think we came here about 3 years ago, and the owner's wanting it freshening up now. So the gable end, again, it started to go green, so we'll treat that. Look at this for an outlook. Fantastic. So it's all the front. And a small bit on this gable end up here. And then if we wander around, beautiful property. And the Lyth Valley is actually sort of famous really for damson trees. And in this garden they've got a little bit of an orchard of damson tree. That's a damson tree there. Really nice. And we've got that bit up there to do. So it's not too bad. Probably one of the nicest houses we've worked on. Well, definitely the nicest locations. So, let's see how we get on with this one. We've put a biocide on one of the side gables. So this gable here, this was just treated with the biocide, and what the biocide does, it kills any biofilm that's on there, and any spores that should land on it will clear as well. The front as well, because it was, the paint was in good order. There wasn't too much algae on the front, and the biocide was the best option for here. We wet all the plants to make sure that they don't get burnt. But here, this is reacting to the biocide, and that will clear by natural weathering, and over the coming weeks and months it will just keep getting brighter and brighter. So it's a great way to sort of maintain painted render. It keeps the algae under control, so as long as we keep on top of it, this won't need painting too often. So this render on here is a lot more covered in algae. This here is a mould, but green algae. This side gets the weather quite a bit, and then from the trees it also gets spores land. So we put a different treatment on this than we did on the front and the other gable. We finished this property Crosthwaite, and that's the chimney breast wall. This was quite heavily stained with algae, and that's all cleared, and it'll keep getting better as it's fully dries out. And I'll walk you around the front. Biocide treatment on the front. And then these spores on here, this gable here and the front, they'll clear over the coming days and weeks through natural weathering. But overall I would say it looks very good. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you subscribe you'll get to see future videos, and if you've got any comments please leave them below, and I'll see you on the next one.